Estimation in Money, Lesson 8C. We have links to the previous videos 8A and 8B in the description with other videos to help you if you could become lost. When we estimate money, we round the amounts to the nearest dollar. We use the same rules that we use for rounding numbers. That was in video 8B. For rounding money values to the nearest dollar, the tenths place will tell the ones place what to do. If we have $14.70, that 7 is going to tell that 4 to go up to a 5, so it's going to round to $15. If the amount is $14.25, this 2 is going to tell that 4 to stay the same, so it's going to round to $14. That can help us when we shop, can't it? Well, Emma's car is due for regular maintenance. An oil change is $19.98, a car wash is $7.25, and tires rotated and balanced is $36.99. We need to estimate how much money Emma needs to care for her car. For $19.98, this 9 is going to tell that 9 to go up 1, but then that's going to push this one to a 2, so $19.98 is going to round to $20. $7.25, the 2 tells the 7 to stay the same, so it's going to round to $7. $36.99, that 9 tells the 6 to round to a 7, so it rounds to $37. Now we can add them. 7 plus 7 is 14. We regroup the 1 and put the 4 down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's $64 needed without tax. And we can use estimation in multiplication and division problems. If the oil change is $19.98, if Emma gets 3 oil changes per year, about how much does she spend annually for oil changes? So it says about how much, so we're just going to estimate. We know that the $19.98 rounds to $20. We just multiply it by the 3 oil changes, and it estimates to about $60 annually. If she washes her car each month, estimate her annual cost. $7.25 rounds to $7. It says annual cost. Well, that's yearly cost. There's 12 months in a year. So we're just going to multiply the $7 times the 12 months to get the annual cost. 7 times 12 is 84. So it's $84 annually for an estimate. It's not the exact amount. It's just roughly what she would spend. If she spends $79.92 a year on oil changes, how many oil changes is she getting each year? Well, the $79.92 is going to round to $80. That 9 tells the 9 in the ones place to go up 1, which pushes the 7 up to an 8. And that's $80. We know that the oil changes cost $19.98, and that rounds to $20. So if she's spending about $80 annually, and each one is $20, we're going to do $80 divided by the $20, and that's going to tell us she's getting 4 oil changes each year. Okay? If Emma only has $30, what can she have done for her car? We know the prices of everything she needs to have done, but now she only has $30. So which of these can she have done? Is she only going to be able to get a car wash? Can she get an oil change and a car wash? Can she just get the tires rotated and balanced? Well, no, that's $36.99. She only has $30. Can she only get an oil change? Well, no, she has a little more money than that, and she certainly can't afford all of them, can she? So this $19.98 for the oil change rounds to $20. The car wash rounds to about $7. Together, that would be about $27. She would have enough for that, right? So if you said oil change and car wash, then you're right. It would be number 2. That's what she can get done if she wanted to do as many as possible, right? All right, now it says Zippy's Car Wash has a special. Buy 10 car washes for $71.99 or 5 car washes for $39.99. Which is the better deal? Well, $71.99 rounds to $72. This 9 tells the 1 to go up, so it's a 72. But we could also round it to $70. And if it's 10 car washes, we can divide the 70 by the 10 car washes and know that it's about $7 each. The other deal is $39.99 for 5 washes. $39.99 rounds to $40. We divide the $40 by the 5 car washes, and that comes out to about $8 each. So that's more expensive. So the 10 car washes, the 10 special, is better than the 5 special, isn't it? So that would be the better deal. She'd get more for her money, wouldn't she? You can do that while you're standing there trying to figure out what package you want. You could quickly round them and figure out what the cost is for each one and figure out the better deal. All right? So we can also round dollar amounts to the nearest $5 or $10. It won't be as accurate, but we might be able to go faster. Lisa pays $87.95 per month for cable TV. Estimate her annual cost. So which one of these would it be? If you think there's not enough information given, there really is. So that's not the right answer. I know it only has one amount, but it says annual cost. That means yearly cost. That means 12 months. So if she pays $87.95 each month, we need to multiply it by the 12 months to find her annual cost. We can round the $87.95 to $90. We can just round it to the next 10. That'll help us go quicker. So now we can just do 90 times 12. We do 90 times 12, and actually how I do it is 9 times 12, which is 108, and then I add that extra 0. So that would be 1,080. You can do it real quick on your calculator too. So if you said number 1, you're right, because it would be about $1,080. We just rounded it to the nearest 10. See? Goes a lot quicker. So now you should be ready to do the skill focus on page 109, and I hope you do well. Just remember that you can round to the nearest dollar, or you could round to the nearest $5 or $10, okay? And our next video is decimals on a number line. We're going to actually be able to locate decimals on the number line, all right? And if you need more help and you're having trouble, know in your heart you can watch the grade 4 and grade 5 math videos that are linked in this description that talks about estimating and rounding with decimals, okay? And actually even with money. And I'll have links to 3A where we talked about estimating, and we talked about some dollar amounts in that video, and the previous videos for this lesson, 8A and 8B. Just click on the description and it'll be right there, okay? So try doing that skill focus. If you do well, I'll see you in the next lesson, and we'll talk about decimals on a number line. If you have some trouble, try watching this video again, or try watching the videos that are linked in this description to help you, okay? I really think you can do this. I think you're going to be okay. Just take one step at a time, all right? We'll slowly get there. See you next video. Bye.